Hi guys, welcome to Print Right. I'm your host Sanveer, and today we came up with a new video. It's all about high density. So today we'll be trying to print high density print with plastisol ink. High density print can be done in different types of ink like silicone ink, plastisol ink. So we'll try this video with plastisol and we'll come back with a new video how to do with silicone ink. So guys, without a delay, let's start the video. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a subscriber, do give some love and motivation by liking the video and sharing the video. And if you want to start any printing businesses and you want equipment and any other materials, feel free to call the number given in the screen, and for further details visit our website printright.com. So guys, without a delay, let's start the video. So guys, now we are going to do high density print. So before that, let me tell you what are the things required. You require a high density puff ink. It's a puff adhesive. With this, you have to mix plastisol ink 50 to 30% ratio with plastisol ink. And high density comes better in silicone printing ink because silicone give more fine edges. You can see finer edges are done in silicone inks, but you can do in plastisol. Suppose you want to give to a customer in transfers. If you, I will do a video how to do silicone printing and how to do silicone transfer printing in high density. But if you want to give some client a transfer sheet, the silicone printing is most preferable. And if you want some more nice like this quality ink, then silicone is preferable. So but today we will plastisol. Next video will come up with silicone. So first this is mixing. I told you plastisol and high density puff adhesive. Then next thing is the exposing. High density print exposing is little bit complicated than normal thing. You have to use a film. It is called high density film, or it is called fat film, or somebody call it thick film. You have to use this type of film, like this type of film, and put it above your matter, and above that you have to put this type of special high density emulsions. So once you put above your thing, then you can expose it, and it will be thick heighted, because thick film means heighted film. So it will be height and you will get a depth, and in that depth you will pass the ink. So guys, these are the small thing. Exposing not that tricky, is same thing, only you have to put 2 layers of exposing. So we'll make a video on that also future. So now everything is done. Let's start the printing. We'll first of all we'll mix the high density adhesive with the plastisol. Once we mix, then we'll start the printing. So guys, you have seen the mixing and we are ready for the print. So you have seen the mixing, and you can do it silicone ink as well as you can do it plastisol ink. So now the mixing is done. So now we'll be doing the printing. Printing you can go for 4x4, 2x2, or how much pass, how much thickness you want, that much strokes you have to give. In the market you will get this fat film from where you are exposing, because First thing you should have a plastisol or silicone ring with a high density adhesive. Second thing, exposing should be done in film. With a film from market, you will get it from 100 micron. This is called thick film, or somebody tell us super fat film. So you will get it from 100 micron to 700 microns. Gradually in the market, generally it's used between 100 to 300 micron. So if you want to do something extreme, you can go above that. So this is what I am using. This is 150 micron. So how less the micron you have, that much more strokes you have to give for the height. How more the micron? Suppose you are using 300 microns, so you have to give less stroke. So depends on you what microns you want to use. So after we'll pass it off, and we'll do 2 plus 2 or 4 plus 4. We'll do 4 plus 4 code 4 4 4. So we'll be doing, and we'll try to show you guys how to do the high density. So guys, we'll show you the high density. So guys, let's start it. So guys, the high density is done. So last, you can't able to see more perfectly. We try to show you. We will try to show you in zoom. So it is done. Little bit rough edges are there. Now we'll put in heat press by giving the matte finishing paper. Don't give more pressure. Light only, you have to touch it. And after heat press, it's ready to finish the job. So guys, it's a very good height. That is visible physically, might not be in graphically, but it have a good height. So guys, this is the video all about. We'll put a heat press and finish the video. So guys, we have tried to show you how to do a high density print. So it came very properly. So future we'll going to do in silicone printing, and also we'll do a large high density or transfer film, different method we are going to do. So that's it for the video. I might forgot something while I do the video. If you have any questions, please comment us. We'll try to revert it back. And this is a very good print. It's very much running in the market. So you can also put your hands on in this, and you can try the high density print. So hope you guys like the video. Hope it becomes some informative for you. So if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and then we're signing off for the video. Stay tuned. See you soon, and stay safe. Bye bye.